courage in the morning's light. Every whisper of the wind softly tells stories of hope where the spirit dwells. With each dawn's promise, feel the rise. In the vast open sky, realize the wings of tomorrow. With love in your heart and spirit.